The black handle is lifted right to open. This is the hole inside of our electric box. A thread hole is reserved next to it. At the bottom of the electric box is where we connect. From left to right is the main power supply, vacuum pump, vacuum cleaner. We are ready to press the line nose. Pass through the thread through the back of the case. When the line comes in, we put the knot in place. Prevent the line from being pulled off by external forces. Then we open the wire slot baffle. We distinguish the fire line with zero line monochrome fire line, 2-color zero line to take the shock protection shield. We connected it in the order of 3 fires 10. Connect the line, and we pull it down to see if it is held firm. Then we press the line into the card slot, straighten out the main power supply, connect the other end to the electric box. Note that the fire wire zero line is continued according to the corresponding phase. We inside the box should be equipped with a 100N open to ensure stable power supply of the machine. The purpose of our equipment grounding wire can effectively prevent the high voltage line from the accidental damage and interference of the equipment. The chassis grounding wire can be connected at the bottom of the equipment. After the radio source wiring is completed, we send power and close the switch of the power cabinet. Our electric cabinet has a phase sequence voltage protector, which has a fault and undervoltage function. The normal range of our voltage adjustment is high voltage within the range of 420, low voltage within the range of 360. Beyond this range, our electrical appliances will have a life. To affect the service life of our electrical appliances, after we connect the line, close the power supply, we found that the wrong phase light red light, then switch power supply. The voltage shows as 200, not we need more than 380. And then turn off the power. Need to put our wiring, 2 wire drop. Let any 2 wire change each other position, can solve this problem. Well, when we switch any 2 fire lines and then switch on, then our phase sequence protector doesn't have any light, and your replacement is complete. At this time, we have to turn on the total power supply. Our voltage is about 380 volts, indicating that our power wiring is completed.